everyone, it's Rory from iRonthunder and EpicDroid.com. So I originally recorded an unboxing video for this iRonthunder 3-in-1 air duster. But after recording the video, I began using it in earnest. So rather than editing and publishing that unboxing video, I decided that I was going to do a full review. So the first thing that I love about this is that it's so much better for the environment. Canned compressed air runs out quite quickly, it creates waste, and it costs way more in the long run. This here is rechargeable, it doesn't use any chemicals, and you can use it over and over and over again. It's also extremely easy and super convenient to use. You just charge it with the USB-C charger, pop in the right nozzle, and you're ready to go. It's lightweight, it's made of aluminum, and it feels very solid in the hand. It also comes in 2 different color options so that you can pick the one that's right for you. The kit comes loaded with 10 different nozzles, plus a cleaning brush, a USB-A to USB-C cable, though no charging puck, and a storage bag. With so many nozzles, you've got a nozzle for just about every task that you can think of, from cleaning to inflating. The air duster is surprisingly versatile. From tiny tasks to big projects, it does it all. I've used it to clean my keyboard and computer towers, I've used it to clean my HVAC filters, and I've even pumped up an exercise ball for my wife. When I went out camping with my kids, it blew up a queen-sized air mattress in just over a minute. And believe it or not, it was even able to inflate my paddleboard. It couldn't quite get it to the full 15 psi, but it was still rideable and way easier than doing it by hand. And with all of these different nozzles, I'm sure there are more jobs it can tackle that I haven't even thought of. So now about the vacuum feature. It's not quite as strong as the blower side since the filter in here blocks some of the airflow, but it is still useful. I've used it with vacuum bags to seal and store a bunch of my kids' blankets and stuffed animals, and it worked out really well. For quick storage jobs or light cleanup, it's a handy bonus to have. And so speaking of handy features, when I took my kids camping, I forgot to bring a lantern. However, I did bring my 3-in-1 air duster to inflate that mattress, and as you can see here, it comes with a built-in LED light that is extremely bright and way better than the lantern that I had been planning on bringing. The only other thing to keep in mind is that when you're running this on the highest setting, it can get really loud and it does get a little bit warm. So you might want to bring some ear protection if you're using it in a small enclosed area. So depending on what level I was using it at, I averaged between 10 and 20 minutes of use before it needed a recharge. But honestly, that's still plenty for most of the jobs around the house. So here's my takeaway. The iRonthunder air duster is versatile, it's eco-friendly, convenient, way more useful than I expected, and at just under $40, it is super affordable. If you're tired of buying canned air and want one tool that can handle a bunch of different tasks, this one is definitely worth checking out. We'll have a link in the video description down below where you can order one for yourself. If you guys have any questions about the iRonthunder 3-in-1 air duster or have anything you want to say, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.